Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Oraimo Feather 2C in-ear neckband wireless Bluetooth earphone. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in, and it's a green colored box. At the back, let's see if they give you any information. So it says that it contains one neckband wireless earphone, one USB cable, and there are 4 ear gels, okay, which we'll just check. So let's just go ahead and unbox this, open it up. A bunch of QR codes on here which you can scan. This is how it comes. This is what you get in the box. So these are the extra 4 ear gels that they mentioned. These are extra 4 ear gels that come. Okay, there's a USB micro USB charging cable. Okay, there's a user manual which we'll keep to the side, and these are the earphones themselves. I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. So these are neckband style earphones, and you've got there's a power button, and there's a back and forward button over here, and this little thing is where your charging cable goes to charge it up. Okay, and these are magnetic earphones, you can see. Okay, so there you are. That's what you get in the box of the Oraimo Feather 2C in-ear neckband wireless Bluetooth earphones. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.